I'm a flirt. Soon as I see her walk up in the club, I'm a flirt. When your eyes at me when I roll up on them dubs, I'm a flirt. Sometimes.
What's up, Diamond Squad? It's your girl Sanaa Diamonds here, and I'm back again with another video. If this is the first time you see my face on your screen, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button. Turn the bell notification on so you don't miss anything that I post. And last but not least, smash the like button and be a part of the Diamond Squad. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do thumbnails. I wanted to do this video for a while before people even request me to do it. But I don't know, for some reason I just didn't do it. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys basically how to do thumbnails and stuff. So yeah, I don't know the exact size that you need a photo for the YouTube, because I know that if you put in exact size, your whole thumbnail will show up. But yeah, so before I show you guys how exactly I create my thumbnails and all that stuff, first thing you want to do is obviously take a picture. Whether you doing a perfume thingy, whatever, you want to like have a picture with you with a perfume, or you could just have a whole bunch of perfumes on your bed and take a picture of that as your thumbnail. Or if you're doing makeup, you know, you just want to hold your makeup like how I do on my thumbnails. Hold the makeup, take a picture. I take a lot of pictures when it comes to doing my thumbnails, because sometimes the first time I take my pictures it looks bad. I take more than one pictures and I choose from those pictures which one I want my thumbnail. And I know my eyebrows are looking bad today. I'm just not in the mood today. As you can see, I didn't really put on full face of makeup today. I just put foundation and did my eyebrows. That's it. So don't mind my eyebrows, because I know my eyebrows are looking crazy today. As you see, I didn't really put effort into doing them. I just didn't really care. So yeah. Alright, so like I said, you just pick the picture that you want, and then, you know, from there you edit. So right now I'm going to show you how I exactly do that and what app I use, and etc, etc. Alright, so you want to, this is my home screen, so you want to just click that app, and then you want to just click the camera icon, click photo album, then click all pictures, and then from there just select the picture that you want. I'm gonna select the picture that, you know, I did thumbnail for before, so I'm gonna select that one with me holding the makeup. You can choose filters too if you like. So you have the option to click on the picture and add text. So I'm just gonna basically put the same text on it, and then you could just put the words in the bottom of the other word if you want. Just press enter and the words are on the bottom. And then you have the option to, you know, resize the words if you want it big, small, however you want it to be. And then you also can click on style, and you could choose the different colors for the thing. You could pick stroke and background, and I just put like a little bit of the background. I don't put as much. I don't really put that much stroke either. So then you can also put emojis if you like to. You can resize the emojis like if you want to. You can add as many as emojis as you want to. And you could adjust the text and the emojis wherever you want to place them. And then you just click save. And another thing that you would want to do is you click on the text, you click on fonts, and there's a whole lot of different fonts that you can choose from. I only use like only three fonts that I like. I try to choose a font that, you know, people will be able to read the thumbnail, the title that's on the thumbnail. And you can also tilt the text or the emoji if you would like to do that. And yeah, that's basically it. So after that, what you want to do, you want to go to your YouTube channel page, and you want to go to Creator Studios, and I'm gonna show you guys. First of all, technically, before you go on YouTube, you wanna download the image. So what I do is I send the image to, I go on my email and I go on Composer and put the image on there, and I send it to myself on Gmail. Or you can send it to yourself on Facebook too. You can do that. And then once it's on Gmail or Facebook, whatever you send it to yourself on, you then download it to your computer. Like you open up your Gmail, your Facebook on your laptop, your desktop, and you download it on your computer. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. So you will basically go to your Gmail, go to Drafts, click one, you see that folder right there. You press this, it brings you to a new page, and your downloaded file is right there. And then when you on your YouTube page, you wanna click your icon or whatever, click Creator Studio, and then you're on your Creator Studio stuff. Then you want to go to Video Manager, and then of course here this is where all your videos would be. And then you want to click Edit. Well, technically not this video because you want to click Edit. And then technically it would say something else in here. Like it wouldn't say change image, but it would say something else right here. But let's just say it says choose from desktop or whatever. So you'll click that, and then from your download thingy, you would, I'm gonna try to find the image. Basically the image would be right here. Like as you can see, all my downloaded stuff would be right there, and then you would just click open, and then it would basically open onto this, and then you would click save, and then there you go, that's your thumbnail. So sometimes when you do when you actually do thumbnails like that off that app, sometimes YouTube will complain that the image is too big. So what I would do is, if it's too big, I would use Pic Collage, and I would just put the thumbnail picture in Pic Collage, and then kind of like size it up a little bit in Pic Collage, and then I will save it, and then I would edit it on my phone to like make it like a rectangle shape instead of it to the side, and then I will just upload it to YouTube. But other than that, you can use this app that I showed you to edit your thumbnails, or you can use Pic Collage. Pic Collage is also an option. You can also, I think there's an app called How to Make Thumbnails, or not How to Make Thumbnails. I think there's an app that's called Thumbnails, probably. I don't know. But yeah, so that's basically it, you guys. I hope this taught you how to do your thumbnails and stuff like that. You do need a computer in order to put your thumbnails into your videos, because if you don't have a computer, then you can't put your thumbnail, because YouTube doesn't have that option on your phone. On your phone, you don't have that option to set your thumbnail or anything like that. So it's better off you have a computer. You can do that, because like if you don't have a computer, then you can't do your thumbnails. You can't like upload your thumbnails to YouTube or anything like that. So you must have a computer to do that. And yeah, so if you guys want me to also do a video on how do I edit my videos, I will also do that for you guys. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh wait, no. So give this video a like, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, click that bell notification if you haven't. Follow me on my social medias in the description box down below. Subscribe to my second channel, Sanaya Corneo. The link to it is in the description box. Go and subscribe to it. And last but not least, if you want to collaborate with me, my email is in the description box. You can email me, or you can DM me on Instagram, or you can even text me on Snapchat. I'll answer. So yeah, I'll see you guys next video. Bye.
That's my choice. Getting money like an invoice.